What's up guys, welcome to Lativa's Python tutorial. In the last video, we have talked about the organization of function. Includes function introduction, function argument, recursive function, anonymous function, and global local variable. And today, we are going to talk about function introduction. At first, we put the function by defining a function name with the parameters. And after this, we add a colon marks. And in the next line, we put the statements with the indentation. And it is optional to add a return with a value, depends on there is a value or not. And then let's see how does function work. At first, we put the defined function name and parameters and statements, and out of function we call the function by function name and argument. And basically the argument and the parameters is the same in the function, but normally we use parameters after we defining the function name, and we use argument after we call the function with function name. Alright, and then we substitute the argument to the parameters, and the function's statements will be calling out to execute it. Alright, let's demonstrate it, and we will know the details. At first, we define the function. Define the function name as hello, with the parameters as name. And we print hello with name with an exclamation. And out of the function, we call the function name hello with the argument Ryan, and it will substitute the arguments Ryan to the parameters name. Let's execute it and to see what will happen. Yeah, it shows hello Ryan. And then we demonstrate the function with the return value. In the same way, we define the function name as calculate, with the parameters as number 1. And we set a variable number 2 equals number 1 multiplied by 2, and return the value as number 2. Alright, and out of the function, we print the function name as calculate, and the argument we set the 3. Let's execute it and to see what will happen. It shows 6 because it substitutes the argument 3 to the parameters number 1. So number 2 equals 3 multiplied by 2 is 6. So it outputs 6. And in the same way, we change 3 to 5 and execute it again. It shows 10. Alright, it is very simple, right? Today we have talked about the function introduction and to learn how to use function. If you like this video, please keep thumbs up, share this video and subscribe. See you next time.